I'm Alex Kim. I'm the judge of the 323rd District Court. This is the juvenile court in Tarrant County. What we do here is whenever there's a child who's been accused of committing a crime that's between the ages of 10 and 16 years old, they're brought to this court and the case proceeds from here. This is unlike the adult courts where you have to be 17 or older to face prosecution. This court is a family court. There's a separate part of the family code that deals with children who are younger in age and that are having problems with the law. Now, with juvenile delinquency, it could result in children going and being committed to the Texas Juvenile Justice Department, which is kind of prison for kids, or more likely, and what we try and do is rehabilitate these children. We try and provide these children with counseling, with treatment, with other kinds of supervision to help modify their behavior so that they can be good contributing members of our society here in Tarrant County and across the state of Texas. Now, it is possible that some of these children are accused of committing crimes that are the most serious in nature, all the way up to capital murder. In those cases, the district attorney can go ahead and ask the court to give up my jurisdiction and transfer this child to the adult criminal courts for adult prosecution. When children are under 10 years old, there is no court recourse for that. Sometimes there's a civil remedy, like let's say a 9-year-old damages a car, some graffiti. The parents may be responsible for that, but children under the age of 10 cannot be arrested and brought here. This court is also the court that handles the runaways that end up in Tarrant County from other counties or from other states. As you can imagine, with DFW Airport, we do get a fair number of runaway children that end up in the airport and brought to this court. In those cases, there are separate laws that all 50 states have agreed to called the Interstate Compact, and there's a certain procedure of returning children back to their home state. They're the same set of rules, whether they're from Texas or coming to Texas. And furthermore, what this court does is I want to make sure that everyone understands this court is not about punishing children. In fact, the Texas law says that we should not punish children. We're here for rehabilitation. We're here to make sure that they understand right from wrong, and we're here to correct their behavior, and we're here to ensure that when they're released back to the community, that they're not a danger to themselves or to others. This court also handles CPS cases. On those cases, these are the cases where parents are accused of abuse or neglect of the children, and then there is a process that's established by law to handle these, to protect the children, and to make sure the best interests of the children are being looked out for. So it's been a pleasure informing you about this. If you have any questions, you're always welcome to reach out to this court. Me and my staff will be more than happy to help you however we can. Thank you very much.